In this video, I'll break down the top 5 fish tanks and which fish tank I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked pick, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best fish tank and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the Tetra Half Moon. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice for those on a budget. It stands out for its sleek, space-saving design, ideal for small environments. The curved front offers a unique viewing angle, and the clear acrylic construction ensures durability while maintaining visual clarity. The included movable LED light provides versatile illumination, though it relies on battery power, which some find inconvenient. Maintenance is straightforward with the integrated air pump-driven filter, though its small size necessitates frequent water changes to prevent ammonia buildup. While suitable for a single betta or tiny species, the 1-gallon capacity limits swimming space, potentially stressing fish over time. The feeding hole in the canopy simplifies daily care, but the lack of adjustable temperature control means additional equipment may be needed for optimal fish health. Energy-efficient lighting enhances aesthetics without overheating the water, making it a visually appealing starter setup for those prioritizing compactness over long-term habitat sustainability. At number 4, we have the Koller Panaview. The Panaview Aquarium excels with its seamless leak-proof design, crafted from durable crystal-clear plastic that mimics glass without fragility. Its integrated 45-gallon-per-hour internal filter maintains water clarity by efficiently trapping debris and organic waste, though frequent cartridge replacements every 3 weeks are necessary for optimal performance. The LED lighting system offers 7 customizable colors and adjustable modes, enhancing aesthetics while avoiding excessive brightness that could stress aquatic life. Ideal for small species like bettas or shrimp, the vertical layout provides ample swimming space but limits horizontal territory for active fish. Maintenance is straightforward thanks to accessible components, though the narrow feeding opening prevents accidental overfeeding. A heater is recommended for tropical species if room temperatures fluctuate below 75 degrees Fahrenheit. The distortion-free panoramic view and compact footprint make it suitable for desks or small spaces, prioritizing both fish welfare and visual appeal through thoughtful engineering. At number 3, we have the Marineland Portrait. The Marineland fish tank excels with its 3-stage hidden filtration system, combining mechanical, chemical, and biological media for stable water quality. The glass construction features thick 3/16-inch panels and rounded edges, offering a clean, rimless aesthetic. An adjustable flow pump provides customizable circulation, though its lowest setting may still be strong for delicate bettas. The rear compartment houses equipment discreetly, but requires narrow tools for maintenance due to tight spaces. Integrated white and blue LED lighting supports basic plant growth like Anubias, while creating natural shimmer effects, though higher light species need supplemental lighting. The tank's vertical design maximizes surface area for gas exchange, while the snug glass lid minimizes evaporation and prevents fish jumps. While total capacity reaches 5 gallons, the partitioned rear filter area leaves approximately 3.5 gallons of primary swimming space. Silent operation and separate light filter power cords allow flexible timer use, making this a functional choice for small aquatic environments. At number 2, we have the Aqueon Aquarium. This is our runner-up pick and stands out for its all-in-one design, combining essential components for a healthy aquatic environment. The glass construction provides durability with reinforced silicone seams, though some minor cosmetic glue lines may be visible. Its QuietFlow LED Pro filter operates efficiently with adjustable flow, reducing noise while maintaining water clarity through replaceable cartridges. The preset 50-watt heater quickly stabilizes temperatures, crucial for tropical species, and an external thermometer strip simplifies monitoring. Full-spectrum LED lighting enhances fish colors and supports plant growth without promoting excessive algae. The integrated hood minimizes evaporation and includes a feeding door for convenience. Maintenance is streamlined with modular components, and the inclusion of water conditioner and fish food samples simplifies initial setup. This kit's balanced ecosystem support and user-friendly features make it a reliable choice for both novice and experienced aquarists seeking a low-maintenance habitat. At number 1, we have the Tetra ColorFusion Aquarium. This is the best fish tank you can get when comparing it on price to performance, and excels with its vibrant LED lighting system, which cycles through customizable colors to enhance fish aesthetics and simulate natural environments. The scratch-resistant glass construction ensures durability, backed by a lifetime warranty, though the hinged hood feels somewhat flimsy during handling. Included components like the Tetra Whisper 20 filter provide reliable 3-stage mechanical, chemical, and biological filtration, operating quietly to maintain water clarity without disrupting room ambiance. A 100-watt heater and thermometer help stabilize temperatures, critical for tropical species, while the integrated hood reduces evaporation and jump risks. Maintenance is streamlined with the filter's easy-to-replace cartridges, though frequent partial water changes, 10 to 25% every 2 weeks, are still essential to manage waste and prevent ammonia spikes. The tank's ecosystem benefits from optional bacterial starters, though full cycling requires patience before adding fish. Pre-treated water conditioning is mandatory to neutralize chlorine, and overstocking should be avoided to maintain balance. Artificial plants and anemones included in the kit offer shelter, but lack realism, encouraging owners to personalize with live flora. While the lighting isn't intense enough for highlight plants, it effectively showcases fish colors and reduces algae growth when kept away from direct sunlight. This setup combines practicality with visual appeal, ideal for beginners seeking a low-maintenance, visually engaging aquatic habitat. So that sums up my top 5 fish tanks I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.